Everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the LeetCode problem construct binary tree from pre-order and in-order traversal. So given a pre-order and in-order traversal of a tree, we construct the binary tree. So for example, we have pre-order traversal of this tree which is 3, 9, 20, 15 and 7, and the in-order traversal is 9, 3, 15, 20 and 7. So let's understand how we will solve. So in pre-order traversal you must know, but let me explain you again. In pre-order traversal, first we visit the root node, root, then followed by left subtree, and after that right subtree. While in order traversal, we first visit the left subtree, all the nodes of the left subtree, then the root node, and after that we will visit the right subtree. So if you see over here in this pre-order, the first node always will be our main root node of our tree. So if we look this root node in our in order traversal, then we can easily split that in order array, like this part, left side part belongs to the left subtree, while this part is belong to the right subtree, correct, and left subtree. So once this is, we can construct this like 3 will be here, and after that 15, 20 and 7 will be here in the right subtree, while the 9 will be alone here in the left subtree. Similarly, we will look for in the in order traversal, we visit next node which will be the root of the left subtree. So we have 9. After that, once we go 20 will be in the right subtree, and we will check it is here. Then in this 3 nodes we can divide. 15 will go to the left of this 20 and the 7 will go to the right of 20. So this will be our tree we constructed. Same tree is like this. So for solving this, what we will do, we will keep 2 indexes. One is start for in order traversal, and another is end, which will keep track the array size in the in order traversal itself for in order. And also we will keep a index variable which will always give us that subtree root node location. So we will initialize this in the 0 first, and then for solving this we will build the recursive method. First we will create a root node using the pre-order traversal. So this will be new tree node, from the pre-order of index. So this will be pre-order index value. So once we got the root node, after that we need to build the left subtree and the right subtree. So for left subtree we will call again the same method, root for root.left, call our recursive method. While here what we can do, our start index as it is same, while the end will be changed from the in index. The in index we will find the index of the root node in the in order array. So in this case, first case, this will be this will be our in index in the first recursive call, and now this will be the and we will call, and similarly we will call for the right subtree. Now we need to think what will be the index for left subtree. So for index for left subtree in the pre-order is simply the increment. This will be index plus 1. Now what will be the index in the right subtree? So if you see, so this pre-order traversal will process right subtree only when processed all the left subtree nodes. So like once this process this side, then only this will come to the right tree. So first it will process root node, then the left subtree, whole left subtree after that. So the index in the right subtree will be index plus number of nodes in the left subtree, which will be in index what we found, where is our original root, index minus the start of that. So this will give the nodes in the, this is the last node here in the end of this guy left subtree. So then we will move one more ahead of this. So this is the index node for the right subtree in our pre-order. So let's understand. For example, initially index will be 0, start, let's shortcut is st 0 and e is also 4. So first we will get this is our root. Now after that we will find in index will be 1. Once we got 1, then for left subtree index will be 1, 0 plus 1, and for right subtree it will be 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus 1, which is 2. So hence we have the right subtree root is first root is 20, which is at index 2 in our pre-order array. So this is, so here is the code implementation of the algorithm we discussed. So first we call the recursive method, where we pass the pre-order in order array as well as the start index from 0, in order length minus 1, which is the end index of the in order array, and initialize the index from the 0. After that we will check here, this is a base case of our recursive called termination condition. Whenever I start cross the end, we will return the null node, and then we will create the root node here first, and we also need to find the in index. So for in index we will check where the pre-order index node exists in our in order array. We will calculate this using while loop, and then call the recursive calls left and right, and after that return the root node. So this will be, let's submit this code, and it is accepted. So if you see, the time complexity of this solution will be O of n square. Like for all the n nodes we are calling recursive method as well as we are checking the index. This can be O of n, takes O of n time for each of the index in case of skew tree. So the skew tree is like this. For this writes 2, 3 and 4. So how we will optimize? So if you see over here in the node, we may assume that the nodes, there is no duplicate node exists. So what we will do, we will just catch this in the map, all the index and the value in order node value and the index in the in order array using the map. So let create a map, integer, and the map, this map we can also create a local variable. Just for easiness I am just creating global here, but for creating local you may need to update your structure of this recursive method and pass it through there. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than in order dot length, and I plus plus map dot put in order of I comma I. So this will give us the easy index. Now here, instead of calculating and starting, we just simply get from the map dot get pre-order of index value, get the index of that in our in order. So if we compile this code, this will be compiled, and let's submit. So this will be accept, and the time complexity of this code will be O of n, because now we are getting in constant time the index, and just we are iterating for the all the n nodes, and this complexity is O of n. Thank you. If you like my solution, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. Thanks for watching. See you again.